Once more, it's no news that Tesla's stock cost is dropping and has been doing it at a huge rate. For most Tesla financial backers, clutching their portions is steadily turning out to be increasingly more troublesome as the stock cost keeps on plunging constantly anyway, despite the fact that there are worries about Tesla's stock cost as well as the requests for its vehicles. Garrett Nelson thinks a few of these new worries are exaggerated by him. There's a ton to anticipate in 2023, so as opposed to being unfortunate, this could be a valuable open door for Tesla financial backers and bulls. Hello everybody, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Garrett Nelson is really bullish with regards to Tesla. The vehicle organization is his top industry pick, and he sees it as a top-performing stock in the business in 2023. While talking in a new meeting, the Tesla bull noticed that in spite of the fact that there are concerns encompassing the precarious decreases in Tesla stock cost as seen throughout the course of recent months, making a stride back, the vehicle organization has truly performed unimaginably well, particularly as far as its vehicle deals. Garrett Nelson additionally referred to certain variables that could help the stock before long. The thing is, they will continue to watch to find out, but before we get into the video, remember to like and buy in and turn on that warning. Chime to move exceptional on everything along with Tesla as of late distributed its final quarter vehicle creation and conveyance report for the year 2022, and there have been very few responses to this conveyances or the nearest guess of deals revealed by Tesla. These numbers addressed a record for the vehicle organization and a development of 40 in conveyances year over year as per Tesla. All-out conveyances for the final quarter of the last year were at 405,278 vehicles with a sum of 439,701 EVs created during that period. This left complete yearly conveyances for the year at 1.31 million. And all-out yearly creation at 1.37 million. Tesla's last Q4 would make it 3 straight quarters where the car creator is surpassing conveyance as the vehicle organization's conveyance numbers are missing the mark concerning investigation assumptions as per our agreement of investigation gauges ordered by FactSet. Money Road was anticipating that Tesla should report conveyances around 402,000 for the last quarter of the year. The evaluations, which were refreshed in December and remembered for the reality set agreement, went from 409 to 433,001. More agreement distributed by electric vehicle industry scientist Troy Teslike expressed that 24 offer side examination anticipated that Tesla conveyances should arrive at around 417,957 on normal for the quarter and around 1.33 million conveyances for the entire year. While there have been remarks about the Q4 conveyance numbers, Garrett Nelson accepts that it is an eruption, since this was a record conveyance level for surpassing a portion of the numbers that had been recently recorded by Nelson, albeit the number wasn't exactly as high as the agreement, which seems to be the reason the stock is being hit, but it was still up long term. He further portrayed this as a kind of development that is far in excess of what any other person in the business truly thinks. Garrett Nelson had referred to a few factors that could support Hiesel's exhibition in the new year, and as per him, there are potential impetuses that could drive out the press. I said the stock later on, one of those being the expected offer buyback. Elon Musk said during the organization's Q3 profit call that Tesla is almost certain to do significant buybacks this year somewhere in the range of $5 and $10 billion, in spite of the fact that he had likewise said that this will depend on the Tesla board's decision to make an offer. Buyback Tesla could lessen the quantity of extraordinary offers accessible, which would thusly build a possession stake of flow investors, and that is on the grounds that a discounted supply of offers would likewise cause a cost increment speculation investigation. Alexander Miz had recently said that the buyback would permit Tesla to profit from that present underestimated stock cost, and whenever done accurately, Tesla could stay away from the 1% charge on buybacks in 2023. AERs and other financial backers have additionally contended that a stock buyback would likewise show trust in Tesla's future outcomes and can likewise return abundance to investors. The Tesla fan who is beyond an investor expressed that he had as of late started to shoot the stock and has acquired back generally 50% of his misfortunes. As per him, he has faith in Tesla's drawn-out development anyway, and he really wants to see some activity from the body prior to going long on the stock again in like manner. Garrett Nelson accepts that the buyback will help Tesla, and he likewise feels that it very well may be coming sooner than anticipated, and ideally, with Tesla stock in a superior spot. This could reestablish the desire for EV purchasers in the vehicle organization, making demand skyrocket to an unheard of level. Additionally, With the tax break set up for a portion of Tesla's vehicle models, demand might go considerably higher before long. Nelson noticed that Tesla is proceeding to increase creation and afterward new industrial facilities in Austin and Berlin, and will likewise logically keep on satisfying needs for its EVs. Tesla expressed that its creation began at 2 new plants last year in Austin, Texas, and Brandenburg, Germany, and furthermore positioned its creation in Vermont, California, and Shanghai, despite the fact that it didn't uncover creation and conveyance numbers by locale in its new conveyance reports. Another possible impetus for Tesla stock, as expressed by Garrett Nelson, is the Tesla digital truck. The Cybertruck adventure is at last reaching a conclusion following quite a while of deferrals, and fortunately, without major overhauls, the electric truck is preparing for creation. This reality alone appears to have prodded all the more new orders, and individuals who requested it a long time ago are not surrendering their turns. As of late, with over 1.5 million orders, there could be no other vehicle throughout the entire existence of the auto business that has accumulated such a lot of revenue, with individuals able to put down their cash without truly knowing when they will get their vehicle, ideally assuming all goes well. Tesla's arrangements for the digital truck will truly give clients the opportunity to at last drive their own digital truck, particularly for the individuals who requested it right off the bat. 1.5 million orders imply that Tesla has made $1.5 billion even prior to selling a solitary truck, albeit this multitude of orders are non-restricting, completely refundable. Most of individuals actually need to go through their orders anyway, with 1.5 million orders, that the typical creation round pop issues and related deferrals could see Tesla requiring 10 years to satisfy this excess. Additionally, Musk has conceded that the first 40,000 beginning cost for the vehicles as of now, not conceivable, and will most likely be unable to respect this when it ultimately makes an interpretation of the deals. As per Garrett Nelson, everything Musk can manage is to be centered more around Tesla and in getting the digital truck to market as quick as conceivable. He emphasized that the impending model has the most elevated accumulation of any approaching EV available overwhelmingly, thus the sooner Tesla puts up that for sale to the public, the better. He accepts that when individuals truly see the vehicle out and about, it'll produce significantly more interest and premium. Garrett Nelson additionally noticed that close by the arrival of the digital truck, Tesla needs an item that will energize individuals in the future. As per him, Tesla hasn't got another vehicle model beside the new Semi, which is in its own business truck class. Thus, when the automaker begins to construct its plant creation line at the Austin plant and begin creating the Tesla's digital truck, the better, as per Nelson. Tesla's accounting report is serious areas of strength for exceptionally, albeit the stock is vigorously impacted by a few variables like Musk's Twitter bargain. It may as yet keep remarkable development. Later on, this has a bull conceded that the arrangement has been a gigantic interruption and has made some harm the Tesla brand and the cycle. He in all actuality does anyway imagine that Musk is giving his all to determine what is going on, which will see the shade being lifted sooner or later in the next few long stretches of time. He said, obviously it's been an enormous shade on the stock since the obtaining was finished. However, we believe it's truly on a superior way going ahead. We've been saying that he actually needs to make a stride back, and the sooner he tracks down the chief to supplant him at Twitter and expects all the more director job there, the better, as per Garrett Nelson. While Tesla stock has endured a shot of late for various reasons, remembering diminishing financial backer certainty for Elon Musk to run the organization, actually, you should make any case perform better later on. The vehicle organization arrived at an unheard of level last year after this worldwide evaluations declared that it had raised its drawn-out credit score on Tesla from BB, in addition to BBB, which is the automaker's first venture-level rating, as per the Extraordinary Group's organization. Tesla outperformed assumptions on numerous measurements, and he accepts that the automaker will keep on keeping up with low obligation while conveying solid benefits in the midst of a debilitating economy and an undeniably cutthroat climate for televisions. Yet what's your interpretation of Garrett Nelson's remarks on Tesla's future execution? Let us in down below, and if you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing throughout recent days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.